Hello and welcome. This video will be showcasing the critical damage overhaul for Fallout New Vegas and the content that it has. The mod aims at revamping the way that combat is drawn out by making nearly all weapons incredibly lethal and making the focus on survival the ability to avoid taking damage rather than just increasing damage threshold.
I've got you now.
Let us analyze how damage is distributed by a standard 9mm pistol on poor old Easy Pete.
Watch out. Crazy?
As we can see, a shot to the head is lethal. If it does not instantly kill the victim, then the damage that penetrates is enough to prompt the bleeding effect, which if left untreated, can become lethal very quickly. A shot to the chest is also very powerful, but does not instantly kill. Once again, bleeding proves to be a great threat. Legs and arms and other assorted appendages take half of the damage that the torso would take, yet still begin to bleed at a similar rate. This combined with weapon sway of a broken arm or the lowered movement speed of a broken leg can lead to major consequences in battle. Armor is a great way of surviving combat situations, as it reduces the amount of damage taken based on the corresponding damage threshold value. This, however, only works up until the armor is on the verge of breaking or breaks. And armor breaks really quickly. So what do you do if you're bleeding? Either you stop the bleeding, or you die. The primary means of stopping bleeding is through the use of a stim pack, which provides massive healing capabilities, and restores a small amount of fatigue. It also stops bleeding, as it acts as a coagulant. As seen here, damage dealt is transferred into fatigue damage as well. This means that if a victim takes too much damage, they will fall over. Another feature is staggering. The corresponding stagger animation plays based on the victim's remaining poise after damage is taken.
Watch out. Crazy?
There is more to come, and much to work on. Feel free to give feedback, and enjoy getting absolutely destroyed by high-powered projectiles.